Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to back up your Android phone. So at first open settings, scroll down, click on account and backup, or go to search option, search set to account and backup. Just open this and then showing you to more option. You just select Google Drive backup data. Just open this and right mark, click on to confirm and click on manage backup. Click on backup now. Now it's backing up. Okay, it's loading. When complete 100%, then backup your all data. So that's it. That's how you can do it.